Cantering. And I improved on the most.
That's okay. That was good. Well, you started cantering on the lunge line with Smoothie, right?
Yeah.
And then you improved a lot. Yeah. So you know what else improved? Your steering. Because the first day we tried to canter on the rail, you almost did a few jumps, right? Okay.
At least I didn't fly off the
No. We didn't jump anything, but it looked like you were going to.